Hi everyone, welcome to EasyEDA. In this video, we are going to talk about how to set up categories for the custom component libraries you create. First, go into Settings, then find System, and here you'll see Categories. Inside this panel, you can create primary categories and secondary categories. If you are the owner of the library, you can create and manage them directly here. If you are working in offline mode, then categories will be created locally in your software. We can create categories for different types of libraries, like symbol libraries, footprint libraries, CBB libraries, and even 3D models. Let's look at the example. Here's a primary category called resistors. On the right, you will see secondary categories, such as chip resistor, throw-hole resistor. Of course, you can create your own based on your needs. For example, grouping them by package tab. Just double-click to rename and click Apply to save. Next, when we create a new device, we can choose one of the categories we just made. For example, if it's a 0603 resistor, we just pick that category and save. If you ever need to change the category again, just go to the Manage Categories option on the right to bring up the same window. Now let me quickly draw a sample symbol just to show the process. Once the symbol is finished, we save it. So, where does it go? At the bottom panel under Device, Personal. You'll find the new category and the symbol we just created. If we click Edit Symbol, it takes us back to the symbol editor, where we can make changes. If we click Edit Device, we can switch the component to another category. You can also right-click to refresh the category list anytime, and the system will reload the latest categories for you. With this feature, you can keep your custom libraries much more organized and easier to manage.